Hi friends, welcome to Joystar channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare tasty and yummy kuli paniyaram recipe. Okay, let's get into the video friends. First I have taken some batter into a bowl in which I have not added any salt or any soda, baking soda, nothing. So it's just plain idli dosa batter, thick batter I have taken in a bowl, and here I have chopped 2 onions finely and 3 chilies and curry leaves and coriander leaves finely chopped. Then only that recipe will be very tastier. Here few mustard seeds and jeera, split pea and urad dal, oil, salt and soda. Now let's see how to prepare friends. But a few people they will add as it is like raw, but it will not be that much tastier as we do. First we should fry all these things, and if you add means then it will be tastier. First you keep frying pan like this and add 2 tablespoon of oil in it. Add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and jeera. Add half teaspoonful of urad dal and split pea. Nicely fry until it becomes golden in color in low flame. Now add chopped chilies so that all that spiciness it will dissolve in oil, so that while eating if you crunch also that chili won't be that much spicy. Now add chopped onions in it. Nicely saute until that onion becomes softer. Add curry leaves in it. Chopped curry leaves. Add chopped coriander leaves and saute for just 2 seconds. And transfer this into the batter which we have taken already. Nicely mix so that all onions will get mixed up with that batter. Since the batter is too thick, at this stage we need to add salt required for that batter and little quarter tablespoon of soda, baking soda. Now nicely mix well. Since the batter is too thick, let me add some water into it so that that consistency should be as to dosa, like dosa consistency it should come. Okay friends, now the batter is ready to prepare kuli paniyaram. First let us keep one kuli paniyaram pan like this. Let it becomes hotter. After gets heated, apply little oil in it. Now put 4 drops of oil in each holes. Now pour the prepared batter into it so that 3/4 of the hole should be filled. Then only it will, after cooking that kuli paniyaram, it will get raised so that easily we can turn over that. Now let us close that and keep for 5 minutes. This recipe goes well as a snacks too and breakfast too. In the evening session, if you prepare and give for kids, within 5 minutes they will be enjoying and finishing it off. Now 5 minutes over, we shall remove the lid. Allow 1 more minute so that in the edges it will be loosened. Now you take 1 spoon and turn that kuli paniyaram carefully. So turn over all the kulipaniyarams slowly. Again allow it to cook for 3 more minutes. Again with the help of fork you can turn it up. Now both the sides it's been cooked well. Now it's time to remove everything and transfer to the serving plate. Similarly, the prepared batter also pour like this as kulipaniyaram. Okay friends, now our tasty yummy kulipaniyaram is ready to serve. You can taste this with chutney, coconut chutney, tomato chutney or pudina chutney. Okay, try this recipe friends, and also like my video and share this video and subscribe my channel Joystar. Thank you friends.